The present-day Kidsgrove station was opened on the 9th of October 1848 by the North Staffordshire Railway's Hare Castle, and during the early years of the North Staffordshire area, variously called Hare Castle Junction, Kidsgrove Junction, Hare Castle, before settling upon Hare Castle in 1875. Between 1885 and 1886 and 1923 and 1924, it was called Hare Castle for Kidsgrove, until 1944 when it was simply renamed as Kidsgrove. In British Railway days, it was also known as Kidsgrove Central, when the town had 3 stations, the other 2 being Kidsgrove Liverpool Road and Kidsgrove Market Street Halt on the old North Staffordshire's Potteries Loop line, all 3 stations opened by the North Staffordshire Railway. It is situated on the Manchester branch of the West Coast Main Line at the junction where the line from Stoke-on-Trent divides for Crewe and Manchester Piccadilly. It is just north of the Hare Castle tunnels on the Trent and Mersey Canal and the Hare Castle Railway Tunnel and 1965 railway diversion. So, as 390-104 makes an appearance passing with 1 Sierra 52 for Avanti West Coast from Milton Keynes Central to Carlisle, we see the departure of 172.72 and 175.12, working the delayed 11.23 East Midlands Railway service from Crewe to Newark Castle, running 14 minutes late. Next to pass for Avanti West Coast is 390-141, working 1 Alpha 38 from Manchester Piccadilly to Milton Keynes Central. Whilst taken by surprise going the other way is 390-156, working 1H12 for Avanti West Coast from Milton Keynes Central to Manchester Piccadilly. Trundling through the station 6 minutes late is 390-152, working 1 Alpha 36 for Avanti West Coast from Liverpool Lime Street to Rugby. Dual workings again for cross country is 221127 passes 220013 and 221135. Working 1 Oscar 16 from Manchester Piccadilly to Oxford and 1 Mike 30 from Oxford to Manchester Piccadilly respectively. Next in to arrive for Northern is 323237, working the 1203 Northern service from Stoke-on-Trent to Manchester Piccadilly. Arriving next into the station is 350-243, working the 1211 London Northwestern Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Crewe. Next to crawl its way through the station is 66701, working 6 Zulu 21 from Redcar Mineral Terminal to Pinnock Branch Esso sidings. Next up, running 29 minutes late, is 17532, working the 1145 East Midlands Railway service from Newark Castle to Crewe. Whilst heading off in the opposite direction 5 minutes late is 350-377, working the 1212 London Northwestern Railway service from Crewe to Birmingham New Street. Whilst right on these hills running 5 minutes late is 390-153, working 1 Mike 09 for Avanti West Coast from Carlisle to Milton Keynes Central. Taken by surprise over on the far side is 66063, working 4 Sierra 49 from Daventry International Rail Freight Reception Terminal to Grangemouth TDG, running about 20 minutes early. And here comes our train in the form of 323-231, working the 12:31 Northern Service from Manchester Piccadilly to Stoke-on-Trent. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.